Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Guys, let's take a look at the Bitcoin market today. So you consider the whole week market mostly stands in flat action right here. So it mostly indicates the indecision, and that's understandable because with the lack of the information from the Fed, from the government, so a lot of talks and rumors were about discussing on the new liquidity measures in the Senate, in the Congress that should be provided this week, but no new information has appeared and no liquidity measures have been provided, so actually nothing. And investors actually has no choice but just watching for non-farm payrolls release. As we will get them only tomorrow, in the current moment, market mostly stands on expectation because the numbers will be actually will have the decisive impact on the market. Good numbers will support the United States dollar because it definitely will tell you that no liquidity measures will be provided at least till the elections. It will not be necessary. If statistics shows the improvement of the situation with the employment. The opposite situation makes dollar weaker. That will increase chances on the necessity of liquidity measures and support the idea that probably some new liquidity should be provided and it should be negative for the United States dollar. So correspondingly, the Bitcoin could react. Currently, by taking a look at the technical moments that we see, mostly they are, well, not actually bullish. And from our major patterns that we have specified, nothing has changed. So we're still watching for ABCD pattern, we're still watching for the butterfly on the 4-hour time frame chart, and everything stands in the relation to 1120 top, this area. If market somehow will break it up, starts upward action, that one will get another butterfly to the upside. That will change the situation drastically and could suggest the further upward continuation on the Bitcoin market. But currently, as market stands below this area, the bearish patterns are still valid and they have not been erased, and the chance on a big drop here still exists. This type of action, well, reminds me the existence of the bearish dynamic pressure, because take a look. Market touched the MACD line, returned it back up very fast, but then shows stagnation. Its trend stands bullish, but price action is not. It stands flat. That could be the sign of the bearish dynamic pressure and suggest that market would accelerate to the downside. On the 4-hour time frame chart, we have the same butterfly, but we need to change the shape a bit. Initially, it was C point right here, but as market has moved slightly higher, currently we change the shape in this manner. And actually, we even could change it even more if market will climb back to the A point. The butterfly exists until the market stands below the A point. So I intentionally marked it with this red arrow sign that everything depends here from this level. Moving above this area will erase the daily ABCD pattern, will erase this butterfly, and will open road with a further upward action. That's why this is very important. So bulls even could consider using the stop buy orders above this level probably, because market has only chance to break it up and continue upward action in the case of the really good non-farm payrolls. So as we have here some distance till the A point, it tells you that when the market will climb here, at this moment you already will know that the non-farms are good. Sorry, the non-farms are bad. And in this case, the upward action will continue. So, but currently, well, we will keep this butterfly as well and then just watching what will happen. On the hourly chart, it's minor detail, maybe only on this part of this situation. So take a look here, market stands at the 618 resistance level, flirting around it. This upward action was erased very fast, and market here has formed guard steeple to sell. So let's see what will happen, but currently, well, theoretically it's possible for taking the short position because A point stands relatively close. You could place relatively tight stop to this trade, but you should understand that everything will depend not on the technical factors, but mostly on the numbers that we will get. Unfortunately, we can't control them. So here is the pure bet on the non-farm payrolls release, not even on some technical patterns, but on the non-farm payrolls release. Although technical picture well, it supports the idea of the possible drop. Whether this will be correct or not, well, we will see only tomorrow.